Hi, my name is Dorothy Hunt, and I'm going to share Google Docs with you. It is a cloud-based storage where you can create documents, spreadsheets, forms, questionnaires, or drawings on Google. The document that you create can be accessed from any device with internet service. Before you begin, you have to have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, then you can go to drive.google.com and you can make the Google account from there. After you get your Google account, you can go up here where the 9 square dots are in your apps, and then go to Google Drive, which is the triangle. And it'll open up to this, and you can make folders, you can upload files, you can actually upload a folder. But we're going to go to Google Docs right here. Now, one of the very first things you need to do in Google Docs is to rename your document. So we're going to name this Google Test. Mash OK. And the reason we're doing that is because if you notice right up here, it says that the changes have already been saved. So every time you do typing, it saves it every few seconds, which is really nice if you're like me and the electricity goes out and you've lost everything that you were working on and you have to start over again. You can go in and just type. Okay, and I purposefully misspelled a word. If you misspell a word, you can still right-click on it, and it will give you suggestions. Now, a lot of these things a lot of their suggestions comes from the things you've already written. They keep track of what you have written, and it knows what you're talking about. Now, it does not have grammar check in there. But right now, the main thing I want to show you is how to share a document, because I think that's one of the neatest things that you can do. Go up here and you click share. Now, if you want to share it with somebody, you type in their email address, and you can add as many people as you want. You can add a note to it, and you can change this to somebody if you just want somebody to view it or comment or edit it. So, and then we're going to leave it as edit, and we're going to send it. Okay. Now, we're going to go in, and I'm going to open up a document because I have some things on my desktop that I would like to have in Google Drive. You can either drag it here or you can select a file. So I'm going to select this, and it's uploading it. Now in this, you can change the font. You can change the color of the font. You can even make a comment. To do any of those things, you have to highlight it. And you can make a comment. Say, okay, and then you can leave that there. Now, when that other person looks at this, they can look at this comment. If they want to resolve it, they can put it up here, and it'll stay there for 30 days. Now, you can also make somebody an owner. I don't have time to go into that right now, but I hope you have learned a little bit about Google Docs. I think it'll be a really great thing to use and share with other people, share documents.